Alright, today we're going to do some welding. We're going to weld on that. First we gotta get our glasses. Alright, now we're going to ground the surface of the weld. We're going to turn our welder on. We're about at 90, that ought to be good. We're going to chunk this old one, get a new one. Alrighty. Ex's heavy and my friends are missing. I wanna drown in vodka whiskey. Leave this small town for a while. Heading to Paris on a late night flight. Find a bar and healing ain't fight. Ride a beat on a sunny balcony. I wanna be a child climbing trees somewhere, breathing in the fresh outside air. Before I knew this life was unkind. I want a well-trained dog. Alright, we got our weld. Now you're gonna need a hammer and a brush, and you're gonna knocking all that stuff off. And you're gonna brush it up a little bit. And that's pretty bad, but we're still learning.